Rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. First question. Round off 23 to the nearest 10. Children, you have to look. 23 is closer to 20 or 30. Yes, 23 is closer, nearer to 20. So we can round. 23 is rounded down to 20. 23 is rounded down to 20. Next, look. Round off 48 to the nearest 10. Look the number line. Where is 48? Is it near to 40 or 50? Yes, 48 is nearer, closer to 50. So, 48 is rounded up to 50. Look at the next question. Round off 54 to the nearest 10. Where is 54? Is it closer to 50 or 60? Yes, it is closer to 50. 54 is rounded down to 50. Next, round off 65 to the nearest 10. Where is 65? 65 is halfway between 60 and 70. In such cases, we have to round it up. It is rounded. 65 is rounded up to 70. Look at the next question. Round off 478 to the nearest 10. It is 478 in the number line. Is it closer to 470 or 480? Yes, it is closer to 480. So 478 is rounded up to 480. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Now see the number line. Numbers from 300 to 400 are marked. Some numbers between 300 and 400 are marked here. 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. Where is 328? 328 is between 320 and 330. It is almost here. 328 is here. Now look, 328 is closer to 300 or 400. It is closer to, yes, it is closer to 300. So we can write 328 is rounded down to 300. Next, look, round off 485 to the nearest 100. Where is 485 in the number line? It is between 480 and 490. 485 is here. It is near to 500 or 400. Yes, it is closer to 500. So 485 is rounded up to 500. Look at the next question. Round off 650 to the nearest 100. Where is 650? It is halfway between 600 and 700. So it is rounded up. 650 is rounded up to 700. 650 is rounded up to 700. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 1000. Round off 2384 to the nearest 1000. Now look the number line. Starting from 2000, some numbers are written up to 3000. Okay, you have to find where is 2384. It is between 2300 and 2400, almost somewhere here. So 2000 almost somewhere here. Where is 2384? Closer to 2000 or closer to 3000? Yes, it is closer, nearer to 2000. 2384 is rounded down to 2000. Round off 3789 to the nearest 1000. It is between 3700 and 3800. 3789 almost somewhere here. It is closer to 4000. 3789 is rounded up to 4000. Round off 6500 to the nearest 1000. It is 6500. It is halfway between 6000 and 7000. 6500 is rounded up to 7000. Now some questions are given here. Round off the following numbers to nearest 10. But number line is not given. It is not always possible to draw number line. So we will learn some rules. Okay. 36. We have to round off to nearest tens place. So first underline the digit in the tens place. Which is the digit in the tens place? 3. Next to 3, 6. Digit in the ones place is 6. If it is greater than 5 or greater, then 3 will become 4. 40, 36 is rounded up to 40. 36 is rounded up to 40. Next look 34. Underline the digit in tens place. Ones, tens, 3. Next digit, ones place digit 4. It is less than 5. If it is less than 5, 3 will not change. Same number 3, 0. 34 is rounded down. 34 is rounded down to 30. Next 78. Tens place digit ones, tens. Underline the tens place digit. Next digit 8. 8 is greater than 5. So 7 will change. 7 will become 8. 80. 78 is rounded up to 80. Next look. Ones, tens. Underline the tens place digit 7. Next 2. Ones place digit is 2. Less than 5. Less than 5. 7 will not change. No change. 72 rounded down to 70. Ones, tens. We have to underline the tens place digit 649. Tens place digit 4. Next digit 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 4 will change. 49 will become 50. 4 will change. 650. Ones, tens. 641. Tens place digit 4. Next digit 1. 1 is less than 5. 4 will not change. 41 will become 40. 640 rounded down. 640. 2573, which is the tens place digit 7. Underline the tens place digit. Next digit 3. 3 is less than 5. So 7 will not change. 73, 70. 2570 rounded down. Next number 2578. Tens place digit 7. Next digit ones place digit 8 is greater than 5. So 7 will change and become 8. 2580. 78 becomes 80. 3604. Tens place digit 0. Next in ones place 4. Less than 5. 0 no change. 0 will not change. 3600. 0400. Ones tens place digit 0. 3609. Ones place digit 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 0 will change and become 1. 3610. 3610. Ones, tens. Tens place digit 0. Next ones place digit 5. So 0 will change. 105 will become 110. 110. Ones, tens place digit is 0. Ones place digit 4. Less than 5. 0 no change. 100. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. 836. Underline the hundreds place digit. We are going to round off to nearest 100. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next digit 3. Tens place digit 3. 3 is less than 5. So no change. 836 rounded off to 800. Rounded down. 836 rounded down to 800. Next ones, tens, hundreds. hundreds place digit 8. Next digit in tens place 7. 7 is greater than 5. So 8 will change and become 9. 876 is rounded up to 900. 4269. Underline the hundreds place digit ones, tens, hundreds. 2. 2 is hundreds place digit. Next digit tens place digit 6. 6 is greater than 5. So 2 will change and become 3. 4300. 300. 269 near 300. Next 4239. Underline the hundreds place digit. Next digit is 3 less than 5. So no change for 2. 4200. Rounded down to 4200. Next underline the hundreds place digit 6. Next digit 3. 3 is less than 5. So no change for 6. 81,600. 81,634 rounded down to 81,600. Underline the hundreds place digits ones, tens, hundreds. 6. Next digit is tens place digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 6 will change and become 7. 81,700. 587. Underline the hundreds place digit 5. Next digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So 5 will change and become 6. 600. 527. Hundreds place digit 5. Next digit 2. Tens place digit 2 less than 5. No change for 5. 527 is rounded off to 500. Rounded down. 402. Ones, tens, hundreds place digit is 4. Tens place digit 0. So no change for 4. 402 is rounded down to 400. 407. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds place digit. Next is 0. 0 is less than 5. Again no change for 4. 400. 3618. Underline the hundreds place digit 6. Next tens place 1. 1 is less than 5. No change for 6. 3600. Underline the hundreds place digit 6. Next tens place 5. 5 or greater number, then 6 will change and become 7. 3700. Round off the following numbers to nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So underline the thousands place digit 4. 4286. Next digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. So no change for 4. 4000. 4000. 4686. Underline the thousands place digit 4. Next hundreds place 6. 6 is greater than 5. So 4 will change and become 5. 5000. 5432. Underline the thousands place digit 5. Next hundreds place digit is 4. Less than 5. So 5 will not change. 5000. 5432 rounded down to 5000. 5732. Underline the thousands place digit 5. Hundreds place 7. Greater than 5. So 5 will change and become 6000. Rounded off to 6000. Rounded up to 6000. Underline the thousands place digit 6. Hundreds place digit next 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 6 will change and become 7. 7000. Underline the thousands place digit. Next hundreds place digit is 3 less than 5. So no change for 6. 6000. 35,780. Underline the thousands place digit 5. Next hundreds place digit is 7. greater than 5. So 5 will change and become 6,36,000. Rounded up to 36,000. Next, underline the thousands place digit 6. Next, hundreds place digit is 5. 5 or greater number will come, then 6 will change and become 7,000. Underline the thousands place digit 6. Next, hundreds place digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So 6 will change and become 7,000. Rounded up to 7,000. Next, underline the thousands place digit 1. Next, hundreds place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So no change for 1. 1,280 is rounded down to 1,000. Next, underline the thousands place digit 1. Next, hundreds place digit 6. 6 is greater than 5. So 1 will change and become 2. 2,000. 2,000.